Vitamin D is also called the sunshine vitamin because our skin produces this component in response to the sunlight. It is basically a fat-soluble vitamin that belongs to the same family of compounds to which vitamin D3, D2, and D1 belong. You can also receive this vitamin from some food and supplements. Vitamin D performs several important functions in the human body. A few of its amazing benefits are listed below. Vitamin D increases the human body's ability to initiate a fight against diseases, such as multiple sclerosis, heart disease, and flu. While extending support to the immune system, it also increases the body's efficiency to fight inflammation. Vitamin D is a trusted solution for warding off stress and mood regulation. It can also deal with depression and anxiety. Vitamin D supplements also improve weight loss due to their appetite-suppressing effect. People who consume vitamin D supplements on a regular basis are likely to stay safe from symptoms of heart disease. Vitamin D can strengthen your bone and muscle health. Several studies reveal that vitamin D can prevent bones from getting brittle with age. Vitamin D can help you prevent type 1 as well as type 2 diabetes. At the same time, this vitamin can treat hypertension. Deficiency of vitamin D can cause some serious concerns, such as aches, tiredness, pains, muscle pain, and stress fractures in the hips, pelvis, and legs as well. It's possible to diagnose deficiency of vitamin D in the human body via a simple blood test. Some of the best foods that can serve vitamin D naturally to your body include salmon, sardines, egg yolk, milk, shrimp, cereal, yogurt, and orange juice. However, one should always get a recommendation from experts regarding how much vitamin D is required for healthy functioning. If you find this video useful, please press the like button and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, press the subscribe button and bell icon. Take care. I'll see you in the next video.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.